fantastic creature is believed to be 1 million years old.
Imagine that. A 1,000,000-year-old monster. What do they think of next?
What do you think it is, Professor?
Well, it looks like an alligator stupidus. But that is impossible, because alligators do not live on the North Pole. Look, the ice is melting. We must put my monster in the icebox at once. Gesundheit! This is impossible! My prehistorical monster is alive!
That monster looks like a monster I know.